Harris-Trump campaign in battleground Pennsylvania. Vice President Kamala Harris and former President Donald Trump took their fight for Pennsylvania to opposite end of the state on Monday, with Harris speaking in the northwest corner of the state in Erie, and Trump in the southeastern suburbs of Philadelphia. Democrat Harris and Republican Trump have been making regular appearances in what is the country's largest battleground state. It was Harris's 10th visit to Pennsylvania this campaign season, and just last week Trump made stops in both Scranton and Reading. Harris at an evening campaign rally homed in on Trump's comments over the weekend suggesting that the U.S. military could potentially be used to deal with the enemy from within. She argued that the comments made in a Fox News Sunday Morning Futures interview are the latest example of threatening rhetoric from the former president that should concern Americans about what a potential second Trump term could look like. He considers anyone who doesn't support him or who will not bend to his will an enemy of our country, Harris said after playing a clip of the comment on the jumbo screen in the Erie Arena. This is among the reasons I believe so strongly that a second Trump term would be a huge risk for America and dangerous. She added that Trump is increasingly displaying unstable and unhinged behavior. Trump made the comment in response to a question about outside agitators potentially disrupting Election Day, pivoting to what he said is a fall closer to home. I think the bigger problem is the enemy from within, Trump said. He added, we have some very bad people. We have some sick people, radical left lunatics, and I think they are the big, and they should be the very easily handled by, if necessary, by National Guard, or if really necessary, by the military, because they can't let that happen. Trump's running mate, Senator J.D. Vance, defended Trump's comments during a campaign stop in Minneapolis earlier Monday. Is it a justifiable use of those assets if they are rioting and looting and burning cities down to the ground? Of course it is, right? Vance told reporters, I think the question is it a justifiable use of asset? Depend on what's actually happening. Trump beat Hillary Clinton by more than 40,000 votes in Pennsylvania on his way to winning the presidency in 2016. But Joe Biden, a Scranton native, beat Trump by about 80,000 votes in the state 4 years ago. Harris is called Erie a pivot area for her campaign, a Democratic majority city of about 94,000 people bordered by suburbs and rural areas with significant numbers of Republicans. Erie County is often cited as one of the state's reliable bellwether regions where the electorate had a decidedly moderate voting record. Trump visited Erie on September 29th. Harris also talked of early voting during her rally. Mail-in voting is well underway in the state where some 7 million people are likely to cast a vote in the presidential race.